Alright, today we're going to review this Starbucks Holiday Blend. I'm going to make a 12-ounce cup, put that right in there, tell it to go, 12 ounces go, and we'll read the label here. It says, notes of sweet maple and herb. Well, that's what we want for the holidays. Got a 22-pack, just kind of hard to open that box. I kind of made a mess of it. Alright, we've got it done. Smells good. Looks good. Alright, well, we're back for another cup. That was really good. Had a nice flavor to it. It wasn't really strong. We're not super strong coffee people. We really quite enjoyed it. What do you think?
Oh, I thought it had a really nice flavor. I'm not one for specialty coffees, but I did like this one.